Hi friends, this is Asigar. In this video, I'm gonna review the Max wood planner, which is similar to Makita. This comes with 220 volts, 600 watts, and 16,000 rotation per minute. Let us quickly open this. The body is quite heavy because it's a complete metal belted. Only the handle is of plastic. This is how the compact design looks like. This is the planning controller, which comes with 0.5, 1 up to 1 mm. Here's the point where you have to hold that. You have to set the point, how much depth you need in this way. This is the planner plate starter button. You have to press that to start the planner. This blade is very sharp and it's very thin. Make sure when you do a planer with any wood surface, it should not have any nails, otherwise this very small thin blade will get damaged. This is the hole where the dust comes out. Just quickly see one demo on this. I am using a rough surface which I need to plane, and this is the controller where you have to set the depth of planner, how much you want. It is up to maximum 1 mm. Let's start. After planing, this is how the surface looks like with a smooth finish. As you can see, it's looking quite good. Let us see a few more trials. The surface looks very smooth finished. Make sure when using the planer, the wood surface should not have any nails or any other hard objects on the planing surface to have a good performance. Instead of going for a Bosch, which costs around 6,000, and Makita, which also costs near 7,000, I would suggest we can go for this kind of Max planner for a normal use purpose. Thanks for watching this video. This is Asigar. Thank you.